So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your black wires without using solder. And once again we're going to use some electric paint, copper foil, and a piece of shrink wrap tubing. So I've got my battery wires on my SpinBot, and I've got my nano ground wire. I also have my LED assembly, and what I've done differently for this is I've added a piece of 2-inch black wire stripped on both ends, and I've connected that to the LED black wire, and I'm going to connect those wires to my battery leads and then use the electric paint to connect them. So let's go ahead and first connect the two battery wires, and you want to strip about 1/2 inch off of those and then twist them together as best you can. And I'm going to twist that to my LED assembly. That should wrap around the cable, the black wires. And that's about ready for the paint. So I've got my 4 wires there. And I'm going to apply some of the conductive paint, just like we did previously. If we have a paintbrush, we'll use that. If not, just going to dab it on both sides. Try and cover that as best as possible. And in order to speed up the drying, I'm going to use a hairdryer. So assuming that's dry, now I'm ready to wrap my copper tape, my copper foil tape around that. I've got a piece here. And again, I'm going to try and wrap that as tight as possible. And it's still a little wet, so. Once that's done, I'm going to slip my shrink wrap tubing over that. And again, I'm going to shrink that with some either a heat gun or a hairdryer. You can see that's shrink wrap tubing is tightened up, and I'm ready now to connect my remaining 2 black wires. I'm going to use the same process. I'm going to just twist these 2 together. And you can use even those pliers if you want to get it tighter. And then I'm going to apply some electric paint. And then once that's dry, I'll apply a piece of foil. I won't be using any shrink cable on this because this is the wire that's going to be inserted into the center post of our motor controller, and that will provide electricity to the LEDs and the ground for the nanoboard. So that's it. You just follow the instructions on the previous video, except for the soldering.